In this video, we're going to show you how to use a simple wire shelf for this genius fake flower organization idea. But first, if you're new to Sunnyside Design, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know when each of our new videos come out. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is secure a couple hooks to the wall. This can be any type of hook. We're using a couple of extra curtain rod brackets. You could even use removable command hooks. Then you'll hang the wire shelf from the hooks. And finally, instead of storing all your fake flowers in a bin where they can get squished and misshapen, simply insert the stems into the wire shelf. It's a little easier starting from the bottom and working your way up. This isn't only a great way to organize and store your flowers, but you can also hang seasonal wreaths from the bottom of the shelf with an S-hook. And better yet, utilize the space behind a closet door where it would otherwise be unused or wasted space. And that's it! It really is that simple. Give this idea a try and you'll have your flowers organized in no time. Up next, I'm going to share our video on how to declutter your home without feeling overwhelmed, because you likely have more craft supplies and decor than you need, and we're here to help you acknowledge that you don't need to keep everything. So just tap the video on your screen or the link in the description below, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.